Hello friends, I am Sali. Welcome to my channel. Here we are with another nice video. Today we will discuss the comparison between prefabricated houses and reinforced concrete houses, or rather the durability comparison in our video, friends. It will be a nice, pleasant video. It will be both informative and somewhat entertaining, friends. Before starting the video, you can subscribe to my channel using the subscribe button at the bottom right and turn on notifications by pressing the bell button. This way you won't miss future videos, friends. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to press the like button, friends. Let's start our video. Yes, friends, today Sinan will help me again. We have our prefabricated wall material again. If we had done tests on this material with a hammer and sledgehammer, in this video we will do tests again, and the brick we use in reinforced concrete buildings.
Sure, Leila. Yeah, we'll all see together which of these bricks are more durable with hammers and sledgehammers, friends. Before we move on to our tests, I want to answer a few of the questions you ask me a lot in this video, my friends. If we could show it up close, outside is betopan, in the middle 10 centimeters of styrofoam, and inside is betopan again in pressed panels. For those who want, we can also work with framed panels for special customers. You often ask about what we call a framed panel. Inside with complete metal frames, it will contain rock wool or strabatit with donuts. Styrofoam is the wall material we use for insulation, friends. When we say framed panel, you often ask about this styrofoam. It burns and so on. You ask a lot of questions like if it gets crushed or bent. The Straplo B1 class we use inside, none of the 16 are flammable and do not stretch or bend in any way, friends. Let me show you. If we can zoom out a bit, you can see that when you step on it, there is no bending, breaking, or anything like that. How much of this material? I will show you how sturdy and fire resistant it is in other videos anyway, friends. I am thinking of making a video about a prefab house fire tests. You'll see it there anyway. But as I said, this wall, I mean a building made with a material called a genuine concrete panel in this system. Truly built to last a lifetime. We can say it is possible. Friends, there are many tricks in this business. Actually, to speak the truth, the concrete material used in this wall is done by other companies. They deceive customers by calling materials that contain asbestos and other carcinogens as betopan, using other materials and labeling them as betopan, claiming they are prefabricated. They try to deceive with tricks, friends. It really is necessary to do some research and gain knowledge in this area. One of the biggest reasons I make these videos is exactly this. Over the years, we have seen everything possible in this industry. Every kind of trick, unfortunately. We see this in this country, friends. I don't know if there is this much trickery and deceit in other countries. But in our country, we really witness fraud not only in the prefabricated sector, but in every sector. For example, to tell you the simplest, if we go from the construction sector again,
if we consider the concrete houses destroyed in earthquakes, the contractor and engineer make money by selling us shoddy buildings, stealing from the cement, sand, and so on, the materials used. In my opinion, it's one of the behaviors that does not suit our people, our country. I try to provide you with information on this topic as much as I can, friends. In fact, like this, let's do a test right in front of us before even doing the durability test. You see here, there's easily an empty space of about 10 to 15 centimeters. This material, for instance, if I step on it, this material can easily support me. You see the material normally at our standard.
Our walls are 2 meters 50 by 125.
Again, big happens.
But this is a small piece broken off from the wall. you will see how durable even this small piece is now. I am exactly 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms, how comfortably. You can see it supports me easily without any bending, flexing, or breaking. Sinan, come. You get on too. If we put 10 more people here, this material will support us, this weight, this load, because from the styrofoam inside to
The material used indicates to you the quality of the material used on the outer wall inside. For example, if we had used bitupan on exterior walls and used a lower density foam instead of 16 density inside, this material would still break, would not support us. But as I said, from concrete bales to foam, from windows to ceilings, every material of the entire building is very valuable, very important, friends. In fact, just go ahead and jump on it. You will be able to see that it remains durable without breaking, friends. Yes, friends, now let's move on to our sledgehammer impact test. Sinan, which should we start with? Brick or prefabricated wall, etc.?
Is there an army?
Let's
It
first
completely
start
exceeded.
with the exactly, I'm curious. Let's start with the prefabricated wall for this. First the table.
If I hit this on it.
First you strike, then I'll strike. Hit once more.
I'm resigning.
Let's even put this down. Let's clean the table too.
Let me shoot this part now.
Minor dents. Our material got slightly dented. Now friends, it's time to hit the brick. We will hit the wall material used in reinforced concrete buildings with a sledgehammer. Let's see what kind of results we'll get. Go ahead, Sinan. You first. Don't hit the back. You can see that brick is a more breakable material compared to a prefabricated house wall. Of course, this brick is not left bare. Mortar plaster is applied over this brick. In this way, it becomes more durable. I don't think I need to hit it myself. But you saw that when Sinan hit it, it shattered with a single blow. Look, on the prefabricated wall, despite hitting it 5 or 6 times, there's just a slight dent, not breaking at all, even.
Let me show you like this. This material, although crushed, won't collapse inward again or anything like that. I mean, we can't remove and discard it in any way. You can see that there is no damage to the back. There are even friends asking how a repair process will be applied when there is an explosion or crack. People like us who do this work, companies already come and perform the repair, friends. So, there is nothing to fear or hesitate about. No need at all. We repair them more simply than at home. Don't even think about such things, as this already shows how durable the material is.
I worked as hard as I could. So, is it bearable like this from the outside?
Sila touched on a nice
But
topic.
Mom,
Let's be.
your grandfather
The plastering process is already being applied.
Likewise, a small.
In the prefab walls, as you can see, the building behind us is already prefab. In prefab walls, in prefab buildings, the coating we call yalipan is used in this way. Alongside this, we have a coating made from a thicker material called tashonite. It can be coated with tashonite, which has a stone pattern like pat, pat, pat. Additionally, like in Sulu, plaster.
it also holds the coating, it holds the plastering process on our material, on our wall, Plastering can also be done. There is no peeling or anything like with the other paint, etc. The plaster and paint hold just like on a reinforced concrete building, the building at the same time. We can say they are equal, but in terms of insulation, prefabricated buildings are certainly better than reinforced concrete buildings. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of another video. In this video, I showed you the wall of a prefabricated house, tried to demonstrate the durability of the materials used in the wall of a reinforced concrete house. Also, to provide some information, I've included in the video the questions you asked me. I hope you were able to find the answers to these questions in this video. Thank you all for watching my video. You can watch my other prefabricated house videos from the links displayed on the screen. If you want more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Goodbye, enjoy watching.